Hello guys, good morning. This is Desiree. Meron kasi ako mga naririnig na ngayon or nagsasabi sa akin or nakikita ko sa Facebook when they reach 50, especially sa woman, kung na-reach na nila ang 50 years old. Ano daw yung purpose nila sa life? So, ang masasabi ko lang is mag-reflect na lang kayo. It's a beautiful and deep questions actually. Sobrang lalim kasi napakahirap sagutin lalo na kung parating ka na rin doon. Maraming perspective na nasa sa isip mo, finding a reasons to live, ano ba ang direction nyo. Pero siguro this time, it's the time for redirecting yourself. Kasi isipin nyo na-reach nyo na ang 50 and na-spend nyo na ang buhay nyo sa mga anak nyo, taking care of others, sa family nyo, sa career mo, or sometimes tumutulong pa nga kayo sa community nyo. So, this stage can be about coming back of yourself, asking, ano ba talaga ang gusto nyo? What do you really want now? It's a chance to rediscover your passions, dreams, and inner peace. Ano pa ba ang gusto nyo gawin? Anong gusto nyo matulong pa sa iba? At since marami na kayong experience at sa buhay, sa loves, marami na kayong lesson learned. So, siguro it's a time for you to share the wisdom na guiding the younger generations, mentoring them, at give a source of strength and kindness sa mga youngers. At isa pa, syempre, ang health, prioritize nyo yan. Maging masaya at maging mentally healthy. You have the right to earn the peace and the happiness. Kaya tama, minsan mag-travel, creating laughing sa others, simple jokes na makes happy sa iba. And minsan magpahinga rin and act to love yourself always. At isipin lagi ko anong purpose. At kung may matutulong ka pa nga sa community, like I said a while ago, po pwede naman. Think about living true. The values, the purpose that can shift to authentic living. Enjoying life as you, not who others expect you to do. In short, the purpose of life at 50s is to live deeply, love freely, and use your wisdom to make life more meaningful for yourself and for others. Always believe in yourself at mag-pray lang kayo. Morning.